Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my channel Crochet Flowers. So friends, how are you? I hope you will be almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like the sun. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish handbags designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So far this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Devi, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box. I'll like our video if you want to watch fashion in videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. Don't miss another video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's see, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the please.